What's the meaning of Colombia? Colombia. Colombia.
Colombia. Colombia. Colombia is a country located in the northwestern region of South America. Its name is derived from the last name of the Italian explorer Christopher Columbus. The country has a diverse geography that includes mountains, valleys, and coastal regions along the Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. Colombia is known for its rich culture, including music, dance, and festivals. It is also one of the world's leading producers of coffee and emeralds. Despite facing challenges like drug trafficking and political instability, Colombia has made significant progress in recent years towards achieving economic stability and peace.